Every year, billions of dollars are spent on vaccine aid in developing countries worldwide. Last year alone, the United States provided over $540 million to this cause. However, a large percentage of all vaccines funded are ruined before they can be administered.
This tiny vial has the potential to save 15 to 20 children. However, before it can do so, it must travel halfway around the world. From the time it is manufactured to the time it is administered, it must be maintained at a constant temperature of 2 to 8 degrees Celsius.
Refrigeration systems disrupted during power outages are the leading cause of vaccine spoilage in developing countries. Local grid power is unreliable, and current systems like diesel generators and battery banks have negative environmental impact and high annual costs.
Team Power has developed an alternative energy storage system that avoids these recurring costs and presents little to no environmental impact. The system stores energy from solar panels as compressed air, which runs a generator and provides power to vaccine storage facilities.
Team Power believes that this system has the power to stop vaccine waste, save millions of dollars annually, and in the process save countless lives around the world.